You know, when you honor your physiology, your body rewards you and you heal from the inside out. I'm John Laspina, the Carnivore teacher, and I just want to give you a quick message. We're a miracle of God and nature. All of the things that have to come together to make us and to keep us healthy and alive, all of our organs, and it's just fascinating, all of our hormones, everything is in the proper balance if you eat properly and you take care of yourself. So if you eat the proper species-specific diet and you move and exercise and get good sleep and manage stress, you're honoring your physiology. And then your physiology, your body will reward you with happy emotions, with stress management abilities. You will feel well and you'll feel good and you'll be happy and you'll be fit and lean and muscular and you'll have dense bones. You will be as you were intended to be, and your body isn't fighting against extra sugar and all the inflammatory seed oils and all of the anti-nutrients from plants. Your body doesn't have to do any of this fighting to make homeostasis. Your body can just relax and run the way it's supposed to. All of the 77 hormones in your body are in balance because you're eating properly. Your muscles, your bones, your tissues, everything is being replaced and generated efficiently because you're fueling yourself efficiently. Honor your physiology, ladies and gentlemen, by feeding it properly, exercising, and getting good sleep and managing stress. That's another way to put it, really, to honor your physiology. And your body, if you have any issues or problems, your body will heal from the inside out. That's what we like to say when we go keto, ketovore or carnivore, that we heal from the inside out and then the weight loss happens as a side effect. That's true. I smile every day because I feel great. Not because of a drug, not because I did something or ate something that made me happy. I feel great because my body is just relaxed, because all my hormones, everything's functioning the way it's intended to function. It's a great feeling. I think it's priceless. You can't even buy this. I'm offering it to you for free in a video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Share this. Share it, because it's true. It's a simple concept. It's free. Have a good day.